Hello everyone, I am Rita Grover. Welcome to PC Training Institute Limited online web designing course. We have covered 3 modules of web designing, that is HTML, HTML5 and CSS. In HTML and HTML5 describes the structure of document or web page. CSS describes the look or designing of document. Now we will cover the next module of web designing, that is JavaScript. Basically JavaScript is used to control the interaction with the document. तो चलो तो start करते हैं JavaScript. JavaScript is a computer programming language, was initially called LiveScript and was later renamed JavaScript. There are many programmers who think that JavaScript and Java are the same. In fact, JavaScript and Java are very much unrelated. Java is a very complex programming language, whereas JavaScript is a scripting language. The syntax of JavaScript is same like programming language C. Next is the introduction to JavaScript. JavaScript is a very powerful client-side web programming language. It is used mainly for enhancing the interaction of a user with the web page. It means it is used to add JavaScript functionality to a web page and create rich web applications. It is a simple and easy to learn programming language. In other words, you can make your web page more interactive with the help of JavaScript. It is an object-based scripting language which is lightweight and cross-platform. It is used to create dynamic web page. It means to manipulate, automate and dynamically customize the web page data. Next is the advantages of JavaScript. JavaScript is used to create interactive websites. It is mainly used for events, like as JavaScript is event driven language. जैसे कि हमारे घर की डोरबेल बजी, उस टाइम में एक इवेंट फायर हुआ कि आपकी रिंग बेल बजी. हमारा एक्शन क्या होगा कि हम डोर ओपन करेंगे. There are various types of events we use in JavaScript, like on click, on double click, on load, on unload, on key press, on mouse over, etc. Next is client side validations, dynamic drop down menus, displaying date and time, clocks, etc. Validate user input in an HTML form before sending the data to a server. Open and close new windows or frames. Displaying pop-up windows or dialog boxes, like we have to include alert dialog box, prompt dialog box, confirm dialog box, etc. Next is the history of JavaScript. As I have already discussed, JavaScript is a object-based scripting language and it is lightweight. It is implemented by Netscape. It was developed by Brendan Eich at Netscape in 1995 using HTML. Next is how to run JavaScript being a scripting language. JavaScript can't run on its own. The browser is responsible for running the JavaScript code. When a user requests an HTML page with a JavaScript in it, the script is sent to the browser and it is up to the browser to execute it. All modern web browsers, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, etc. support JavaScript. It runs on any operating system including Windows, Linux or Mac. That's all for this session. In case if you face any issue or concern regarding this course, then you can contact us on 01127 34 7789 and 2734 7796. Thank you.